Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077241. Because of this error code, that is, so if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this scan. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. The scan will take some time. In my case, it is already done. Now copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, click on pause, and once it is paused, resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down, at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, and then click on search over here. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and over here check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Then check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, and then check your system type. So for me, it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5077241, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually, then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here. Scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next and then click on accept over here. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.